What's up guys, it's Neil and welcome to a brand new video. It's 2019, a brand new year and a brand new season. So it's time to get this car ready to go. The Onevia has had a tough season last year in 2018, but a very successful one. And I want to really try and build on that for 2019. So we've got a couple of upgrades planned, hopefully a brand new look. And sorry, the phone is binging at me. It's 2019, it's a brand new season, it's a brand new year, and we need to make this car as brand new as we can possibly make it. We had an absolutely amazing 2018 season. Thanks to all the partners that really helped me with that, really helped me to put my best season so far together. So a massive thanks for that. We have all the partners coming back to me this year, plus we have some new partners coming on board, which I'm absolutely delighted about. Some big upgrades planned for this car, including a fresh new look. It's been battered and bruised in more than one occasion, so we have to do something about that. And also a lot of safety gear has to be upgraded. So we now have to use the hands device and the proper helmets. So my bike helmet unfortunately has to bite the dust. So we have to put in some new seats. My old seat, which seen a lot of use, seen a lot of drift runs. Again, it's just gone too bad, so we're no longer going to be allowed to use that. But I was lucky enough to score some very good quality, very nice Corbeau seats, carbon kevlar, which I'm really excited about. They're pretty cool looking, and I can't wait to get those seats in. So to get those Corbeau seats into place, I'm after hooking up with Nisuba Motorsport, and what they do is very low run, very high quality products. So these guys are a bolt-in solution for side mount seats. You can see that they're designed to bolt straight into the Nissan S chassis. It gives you the space to put your safety belt or your ring for the harness on there, and then you've got a huge amount of adjustment on the side mount itself for the seat. So these are going to go in. He was also kind enough to send me a good few stickers and bits and pieces, so if you're looking for some Nisuba stickers during the year, I'm sure there'll be plenty of them hanging about. You see with the likes of this, the hardware for the kit to go in, just absolutely amazing quality, washers and bolts and all that kind of stuff. So can't wait to just dive into this now, get those old seats out, get those Nisuba brackets in, and get the Corbeau seats into the car and looking fresh.
So that's it. Very, very simple installation. Literally one of the few things that you'll get that'll bolt into your S body. I think it completes the interior. I think the black and gold theme is very present now with the carbon Kevlar on the Corbeau seats. So I'm really happy with it. I think it looks very, very good. Check out Nisuba Motorsport Engineering. They're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. They do lots more very interesting stuff. He 3D prints air intakes and gauge pods, drift buttons. He also does gear knobs, all that kind of stuff. So give him a like, give him a follow on Instagram, and tell him I sent you. Next job, maybe a set of harnesses. I think the blue harness is probably not going to do anything for it, but we'll see how we're fixed. But look, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you again very soon. Cheers.